if I told you that the biggest money-making narrative in crypto right now has nothing to do with Bitcoin or Ethereum and has everything to do with artificial intelligence? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Kingsley Collins, and today we are going to be breaking down the top 5 AI crypto coins that are absolutely trending right now in 2026. Whether you are brand new to crypto or you have been holding for a while, this video is going to show you exactly which AI coin are worth holding or paying attention to and where you can actually trade them. We're going to be showing you guys CoinEx throughout this video. So this is one of my favorite exchanges for getting access to both mainstream and niche token. So I am going to explain why as we go. So I'm going to be leaving the link in this video description. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to be looking at in this video is why AI crypto is massive right now. So before we get to the coins, let me give you a quick 60 seconds context on why AI crypto is so hot in 2026. So NVIDIA's GTC event earlier this year projected over $1 trillion in chip demands through 2027 and $1 trillion. So that sent AI token prices surging across the board right now. And on top of that, we are seeing a major shift from AI tools to what are called AI agents right now. So these are autonomous software programs that can plan, execute tasks, and even make financial transactions on your behalf. Just think of it like having a robot that can trade crypto, stake assets, and manage subscriptions for you, all without you touching a button. So that's the world being built right now, and the tokens powering that world. That's what we're actually talking about in this video. So here are 5 coins that I think every crypto holder should know about in this space. So guys, the number 1 is Bittensor, symbol TAO. So Bittensor is actually building a decentralized peer-to-peer machine learning network. So think of it like this. So instead of one company like OpenAI controlling all the AI, Bittensor lets anyone contribute AI models and get paid in TAO tokens for the quality of the output. So contributors actually train and serve AI models across what they call subnet. So specialized network focus on things like text, image generation, and financial prediction. So the better your model performs, the more TAO you earn. Okay. So the big news is that 2026, both the Grayscale and the Bitwise have pending ETF filing for TAO. So if those get approved, traditional investors could flood into this token through accounts. So that's a massive structural catalyst right there. You can find the TAO on CoinEx spot market. It's easy to buy, easy to hold. I'm going to drop the link below. The number 2 on my list here is the FET. That is the token of Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. So this one is interesting because FET is actually the combined token of a merger between 3 projects, which is the Fetch.AI, Singularity Net, and the Ocean Protocol. So they actually came together to create one unified decentralized ecosystem. FET was autonomous agents network for things like supply chain automation, DeFi execution, and coordinating decentralized AI services. And there is a passive income angle here too. So new staking mechanism lets you to earn yield while contributing to the open source model training. Okay, so FET remains one of the most widely held AI tokens by retail investors globally. So which actually means there is a strong community behind it. So that matters for a long-term stability. Okay, this is also available on the CoinEx spot market. Super straightforward to pick up. Alright guys, so the number 3 on my list here is Render. That is the RNDR. So here's the problem Render actually solves. So AI models and 3D rendering requires enormous amount of GPU computing power. That GPU power is incredibly expensive and scarce right now. So Render is actually a decentralized GPU rendering network. So artists, developers, and AI builders can access per GPU power from people all over the world, and pay in RNDR tokens. So GPU owners in tokens for lending out their hardware, and it's basically ABN for graphic cards. And in a world where GPU demand is through the roof, this makes Render one of the most practically useful tokens in the AI crypto space. So RNDR is on CoinEx also. If you have been sleeping on this one, now might be the right time to look closer into it. So guys, the number 4 on my list is Near protocol. So Near is one of the most underrated layer 1 blockchain in the AI narrative, and here's why. Near is actually building what they call the transaction layer for agentic commerce. So basically what Near is doing is Near is actually designing its blockchain so autonomous AI agents don't just exist on chain, so they can actually pay, negotiate, and settle transaction with each other automatically. So it's infrastructure for a world where AI does the trading. Near has actually been around for a while now, and it has a strong developer adoption, and has recently doubled down on AI as its primary narratives. Okay, so that's kind of a repositioning from an established chain actually carries a lot of weight. Okay, so you're actually going to find Near on CoinEx with solid liquidity. So the number 5 here is Virtual protocol. So Virtual is actually building what some people are calling the next moment for AI agent economies. So this is a platform where you can create, own, and monetize AI agents that operate autonomously on chain. So they just launched something called the Virtual Console, a no-code browser tool where anyone can build an AI agent without knowing how to write a single line of code. And they're actually implementing a new standard called the ERC8183 to make agents interoperable across multiple blockchains. Now, for a token like Virtual that is still emerging, you might not find it on every exchange standard spot market. So this is where CoinEx on-chain comes in. So CoinEx actually has an on-chain market where you can trade any token directly on-chain, giving you access to tokens like Virtual without needing a separate wallet set up on a DES. So which is really a useful feature for traders. So there you have it. So Bittensor, FET, Render, Near, and Virtual protocol, 5 AI crypto coin, each attacking a different layer of AI economy. So for most of this, you can head straight to CoinEx. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Okay, so it's one of the most beginner friendly exchanges I have used so far. The interface is clean, and they have got solid coverage of AI tokens. So for anything more niche like Virtual, their on-chain market has you covered also. So this video helped you out. Please smash the like button and do subscribe to the channel, as it genuinely helps this channel to grow. Okay, and do leave in the comment which of these 5 AI coins you are most bullish on, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and